Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're going to be getting ready with me, quite literally. I'm getting ready for work, so I'm just going to kind of show you guys what I do every day and how I contour, how I highlight, how I do my eyebrows, and just kind of go through the full face with you guys. And this is the look that we will be creating. Alright, so I've already gone in and prepped my face with the Lorac Perfection Primer. This is an oil-free, fragrance-free product, and I love it. It just gives your skin a really nice finish and just a really nice base to put that foundation on so that it stays all day long. So I went out and bought the Sonia Kujak contour brushes. This is the foundation brush. I love them. I needed new face brushes really bad. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. I love this foundation because I work in a restaurant and I need something matte that is just going to leave my face not looking greasy and oily at the end of the day. Ooh, I love this brush. So after my foundation, I do my eyebrows. I like to use this angled brush. I actually don't know what kind of brush it is because I've had it forever and the label has now wiped off, but it looks like this. I use the NYX eyebrow powder in the shade Brunette. It's so funny because people make fun of me because I have to get so close to the mirror because I'm literally blind. Like I'm always like, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Porcelain and I'm going to shape up my eyebrows a little bit.
Stop filming, babe. I can talk to you.
Bloopers, babe, bloopers. Nope. We have coffee we have sugar and we have creamer. They made coffee, so I'm gonna go get some coffee and I'll be right back. Coffee. What I really love about doing this with my eyebrows is that it really sharpens them up and defines them. So I normally take my brush and just kind of smooth this out, but I lost the actual angled brush that I use. Alright, and so now for the eyes, I'm going to create a really pretty look using Kylie Jenner's Naughty palette. I'm going to be using these 4 colors here. So I always like to start with my transition color, and I'm going to use the Kylie Royal Peach brush that came with the Royal Peach palette. And I'm going to take the color Coal and I'm just going to blend that up and above my crease. Now I'm going to take the color Merry Mint and I'm going to put that on my lid and kind of blend it up into that transition color. Take my blending shadow brush from Kestrel and I am going to just blend out the Coal color. Right now I'm going to take my crease brush from Kestrel and I'm going to take the color Mischief and I'm going to blend that into the corner of my eye here. And I love that Kylie put the names on the inside on these palettes because reading them from the back, like they're on the back too, but like trying to match them up and like tell you guys what they are is so hard. So thanks Kylie for making my life easy. The lighting over here is just a little strange in the morning, and it looks really nice on the camera though. So I get my ring light today in the mail. I'm excited. And now I'm gonna take my blending shadow brush. After I use my blending shadow brush to blend the mischief out into the outer eye there and into my crease. Just give it a subtle kind of smoky look. I'm now gonna take Snowflake and I'm gonna blend that into my inner eye and up. Alright, and then just to soften that silver up a little bit, I'm gonna blend some of the Snowball into here as well. I take the e.l.f. concealer in the porcelain shade, and I'm just going to make a nice defined line for my shadow. And then I'm going to take the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shell shade, and I'm going to put a couple dots under my eye. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that out and smooth it out.
My booty blender?
My booty blender. I'm gonna make a nice triangle shape up to my nose and then bring that up. And for my under eye contour, I want to say it's a highlight because I feel like that's a highlight, but on the box said this is a light contour. So that's what I'm gonna call it, light contour. And I'm gonna take my blush brush and just blend that really nicely under the eye and set that concealer. I'm gonna take that same shell shade Kylie Jenner concealer and just make a line right here. It's gonna create a really nice defined line for my contour. And I have a really peach fuzzy face, so I don't like cream contours just because they don't do well on my face. Take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend that out. Take my Kestrel powder brush and I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match mineral powder in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm going to blend that all over my face. I'm gonna take the same little blush brush and the light contour, and I'm gonna put that right where I made the line for my contour. And I'm gonna pull that down and blend that out. Now I'm gonna take the medium contour and I'm gonna do a 3 contour ring on my face. Now I'm going to take my contour brush and the medium contour color and I'm going to bronze up my face just a little bit more, not too much. I take my shadow brush and just blend that out and up. I'm going to take the blush brush from Sonia Kujak and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. It's almost gone. As you can see, it's a very loved color. It's the Beam in the Bella Pierre Glowing Palette. And for the nose, I'm just going to use the flat top concealer brush from Sonia Kujak. I don't like to put any darker contour on my nose just because I think the highlight defines the bridge of it enough. And plus I feel like I look like I just have lines. Like it never looks good. For the eyes, I'm going to take the same color Beam and I'm going to blend that up into the arch of my eyebrow. And the corner of my eye as well. For the lower lash line, I'm going to mix those 2 colors, Cool and Mischief, just down on the very corner of my eye. Then I'm going to take Merry Mint color that I put on my lid and just gently put that right here in the middle. And then I'm gonna take Snowflake and blend that down into the bottom, very corner lash line. Just a tiny, tiny bit. You don't want it to be like, boom. All right, now I'm just gonna finish this look with some mascara. I don't feel like I look very cute doing mascara, so I am not gonna show you very much of it, but I use the Mega Plush Volume Express by Maybelline. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching me do this look today and getting ready with me. We used the Naughty palette today, and this is one of the first times that I've created a look with it. Today I used these 4 colors here and created a really pretty smoky eye. I love all the Kylie products. I love all the palettes that I've gotten so far from her. They all have like a really cool theme, and I am a sucker for themes. Speaking of themes, I am planning on doing a St. Patrick's Day look, so let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see like a darker green, lighter green, or if you want just like a really fun smoky eye that incorporates like a shimmery green or just like golden green, like whatever you guys want to see, please let me know in the comments below. I will also be adding in links for all the products that I used today, so if you guys are interested, you can click on the links below and buy those products straight from the link below. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, show me some love. Thanks so much, guys.